Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka R.C.Eve Secondary School Mihmyntdu ha ka khatway tarik ulber arajar apun rio kala sedang ya ka annual school sports meet ka ba Sngi ha madan mukan phad Mihmyntdu bala play parda do UMDC ka JHADC uba u lamin ringkat ka jiadon lang u chairman jong ka school managing committee u father Augustine Lamin ka head teacher but secretary ka school managing committee ka kong Jessica Biam ki noi kai bat ki khana school
Kasport hawapan kaskur emga kajimut ku kroba nagbanta yang pikam di kena. Hagini kisngi patan gukat ni ke generations ko pi impe. Bila you compare wak yang i go adapt cheden, human hag yang i man ke wisap ai. Handrai hag yang i ke por ke generations ko lai joong ki bai ki pai i krak kot pa kon yo pas pe. Handrai ngapai hagini ke generations ko yang pi gukat ni. Untuk dukat krak kot hak wo pas. Sai kisap kitalan yang pila yang hoi bro yang man bro pe. Nebha ila wong yeta. Hawaro ki benta. Emlot ki activities. Wapi yo pi take part. Walang ba yung kajing take part yung pi ngini ki activities. Let pi wan pi chikmat. Kalat pi em chuago. Kani man ka kubi ni ki benta koi kulang churup. Start itep. Ki extra activities ko play EWA. Lada hekra heki namo dah pet sport nah hewan ni benta la ka benta ko kong san tam to perkhat ito wa kamon ngapen em kam hok ye yi iwanga yo
to learn the art of discipline, to learn the art of working together, to learn the art of helping each other, to learn the art of self-giving throughout these events. Though you are competing to win a prize, but don't forget to help each other, that we win together. A winning that is winning only for ourselves, sometimes it may not be so much enjoyable to celebrate a winning that is alone. But when we win as a team, when we win as a group, that winning gives us a lot of joy. But if one person wins alone, that game is not so enjoyable. But if everyone wins together, that game is that activity or that sports gives us a lot of joy, a lot of encouragement, a lot of hope in our life.
First is the Blue House, representing loyalty, strength, and perseverance, led by their house captain, Drospel Chairman, and the flag bearer, Mary Margaret Lamery. Following them is the Green House, symbolizing growth, harmony, and sportsmanship, led by their house captain, Firstborn Power, and the flag bearer, Jairus Power. And now we will welcome Mr. Piskemi Lamery with the flag bearer, Ms. Dala R.C.Eve Lamery. Leading the match pass today is our school captain, Mr. Mihmyntdu, and also our
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams. All in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.